What is up, YouTube? It's the final regular fucking stock exhaust cold start. I do have the exact exhaust valve thingy bob. Doing a dual resonator delete. I'm gonna just say fuck it and do it. I was thinking about just cutting one, but I'm gonna go balls deep, do everything. Alright guys, we just got done. We're at Pronto Mufflers in McKinney, Texas. Make sure my old resonator's in there. Yeah, look at that thing. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a start. Dude, I'm so excited. It's not that much louder, but dude, it already sounds good. Like, I like the tone on it already. But we gonna see. I'll go pull up to my place of employment now. I gotta clean up my body. Alright guys, dual resonator delete. Turn this fucking music off. Ooh, it's already louder. Hold on. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Holy fuck. Oh my god, I love it already. Yo. I don't know if it pops, or at least burbles. I can't tell, honestly. So, it was about a 40-minute turnaround time, I'd say. It was like $195 for everything. Guys super nice. You know, if you guys are in the Dallas area, North Dallas area, I think you guys should go there. They're very relaxed. I mean, it's pretty easy in and out. I just told them I want dual resonator delete. They figured it the fuck out. I thought they were gonna cut each resonator individually, but I guess they figured it out, made just a pipe with a bend in it, an offset. But yeah, it was pretty good. I like it. Hopefully it's quality work. I'm gonna lift this car up later, check everything out. But I mean, it sounds pretty good. You know? I kind of like it. It doesn't sound like a fucking fork. It's like, you know. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. But yes, dude, I'm so fucking happy, dog. So happy I got this exhaust done. I think it was a little drone, but honestly, I'm always driving around with music, so they're probably drowning it out. My windows are also all the way down, not all the way down, but all four of them are cracked halfway. Good. I'm so fucking hyped right now. Y'all don't even understand. I also got my new box. Yes, bro. Yes. This is like country Texas, dog. I'm a little far up north. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like the car in R+ mode. That's what it sounds like. That was Dark Horse. Alright guys, been seeing. Wait a little bit. Give y'all a start up, see what happens. Let y'all hear it. So on red lines it pops. That's what I figured out. I can win. This is cruising 55 miles an hour, 2,000 RPM. I'll put on the gas a little bit. It's not too bad. You can hear it, but. Alright guys, I know in the video it does seem a little loud, but I think it's because all 4 windows are cracked and it was a windy day or some shit. But honestly, bro, it's like a strong 3 out of fucking 10 or 4 out of 10, depending on who you're asking on like the loudness level. So I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna jack the car up. I really want to see what it looks like under. Wait, I don't have my jack. This fucking guy still has it. Ah, there you go. There you go. I need my jack back pronto. God, bro. There's so much traffic. There's a slight burble when you shift. Nothing crazy. I really do want to get this thing tuned, but it's still so new. I don't want to fuck with the warranty or anything, just in case something goes wrong. I know a lot of people say this car has no problems tuned. A lot of people have gone to like fucking 60, 70,000 miles, no problems. They've been tuned since like 500 miles or whatever. I don't know. don't want to lose my warranty, guys. That's all. I'm gonna give her some beans. Yeah, in a second, I'm gonna give her some beans. Guys, tell me what other mods I should get. I got a lot of things I want to do, but you know, I want to hear from y'all. You know, I'm not giving a second gear pull. I'm sorry, guys, it's not happening. Nope. No, we're gonna cruise my windows up and see what it sounds like. Oh no, this is butter. You can't even hear anything. Oh, it's the same, dude. Nothing's changed. Where'd that cop go? The fuck? He turned? Oh no, he's right there. Man, I mean, fucking buttery, smooth, and quiet, dog. It ain't a problem. That cop is tripping right now. Woo! God! I shit myself for a second. I didn't make an outro to the video, so I'm here again from the future. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. I don't fucking know, dude. This shit is pretty sick, dog. I'm not gonna lie. Like, y'all heard those pops? I know I ain't the only one who heard it. I know I ain't.